Factories Act 1948. Factories Act 1948. This act covers basic rules and regulations for starting of a new factory and maintaining it consistently under the condition prescribed in the act for safety and health and welfare of the employees. The act is implemented to consolidate and amend the law of regulating the right of labor in factories. Applicability: any premises including persistent thereof where 10 or more workers are working or were working on any day of preceding 12 months and in any part of which a manufacturing process is being carried on with the aid of power, where 20 or more workers are working or were working on any day of preceding 12 months in any part of which manufacturing process is being carried on without the aid of power. So this Factories Act 1948 is mainly enacted to regulate the new factory, to regulate the labors, to regulate the workers in the factories. So it is enacted to regulate the safety and health and welfare measures of the employees. So this act is implemented to consolidate and amend the law of regulating the right of labor in factories. So this Factories Act 1948 protects the rights of the laborers. It also protects it not only protects the rights of the laborers, but also it ensures the safety, health and welfare of the laborers. So where this Factories Act is applicable? This Factories Act is applicable in the factories where 10 or more employees are employed with the aid of power. Okay, where 10 or more employees are employed with the usage of electricity. So the factory which is using electricity and 10 or more employees are employed for the work, then the Factories Act is applicable to that particular factory or manufacturing unit. Again, this Factories Act is applicable to the manufacturing unit where 20 or more people are employed without the aid of power. It means the manufacturing unit where electricity is not utilized and 20 or more employees are employed for the work, then this Factories Act is applicable to that particular manufacturing unit. So if the factory or the manufacturing unit involves with the power, and 10 or more employees are working in the factory or manufacturing unit, then this Factories Act is applicable. In the second case, 20 or more employees are worked, but there is no utilization of power means, then this Factories Act is applicable.